are going to love the 2019 Nissan Maxima. Maxima offers elegance with an edge. The spacious interior provides refined comfort for up to 5 passengers. Advanced technologies such as Nissan Intelligent Key and push-button ignition offer convenience and control. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, heated seats, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, front-wheel drive, 4-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, security system, compass, power windows, trip computer, electronic stability control, heated front seats, rear window defroster, CD player, tachometer, remote keyless entry. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.